Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Christmas memories with Miranda and Lisa. And there is my sketch that I am going to follow, almost to the T, with those two pictures. The theme today is going to be like holiday spirits. So my favorite holiday spirit is going to be the all-time. I'm going to be very sad when I run out of it, and it's going to be the warm wine from Germany, or in the Europe country called Glühwein. And I absolutely love it. It's a spiced hot wine that just hits the spot right where it's at, and I have gotten some of it out to drink for right now because it's cool out or cold. And I absolutely love it. And the products that I'm using today is going to be it's the Merry Days from Crepe Paper. This collection, I mean, it's so vintage, so me, I just love it. The colors are perfect. I absolutely enjoy working with this collection. It was one of my favorite collections that I've gotten this year. And I wish I'm one of them that doesn't have very many like holiday type stuff. Like, I don't have very much like holiday products as of like papers and that kind of stuff. I do have fall and I do have winter type layouts like this, but then the rest of this stuff is just more my favorite companies that I like. You know, for example, like Chamel and Paige Evans, and, you know, certain products from Maggie Holmes and Vicky Bouton and all these other companies, or all these other, you know, people that we follow and we watch and we love, and this, that, and the other. And when it comes to like the holiday type stuff, like whatnot, I never really bought into the whole December daily or December documented or any of that kind of stuff, or even in the fall for like the 30 days of gratefulness or things like that to like document until these last few years. And I regret and I don't regret some of it. For right now, you know, for the stash that I have, I'm completely fine. You see that I use some old stuff, I have some new stuff, and it works out perfect for what I have. And I don't really document a lot of things that we do. I do more of the travels that we do, and then I do my daughters and my sons like everyday stuff. And then I do their birthdays and whatnot. But then the rest of it, I don't have just random things from random days unless I've taken a photo on it and go from there. And as you see me working on this as I was talking into this tangent of whatever I went into, I did all my layering. All these layerings is exactly what was in the layout, you know, in that sketch that I showed you in the beginning. Now, I am a huge layering person. You guys know this about me. If you guys are new to my channel, you will know two things. I layer beyond layer for queen, you know, like the queen bee of layering. And I also do distress. Those are the two main things that you will see. If I'm getting ready to do a layout of some sort, I definitely make sure that I have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of layering with a sketch. And if I don't, then it's the mixed media. So I do have a lot of happy balance, but I'm just letting you know on that respect that I go back and forth. And here I am, I'm distressing all of my layers. And I just took my tiny attacher from close to my heart and attached it in two different spots. And then you will see in the magic of YouTube land, this is done, and I've got some embellishments going to be on my paper. I had to go off camera to put my black on my photos, and here you go. I didn't put anything down. It's not glued down or any type of thing. I'm just working on what I want my layering to be, and I had to like play around with it. That is why you don't see a lot of my fidgeting on it, because it took me forever to fidget about how I wanted most of these to look like. So I did out 3 major tags. They're all different colored with types of stuff on it, and like different types of design. And the design is all of the papers, like they're tags of those papers. And I kind of matched up, or I didn't match up. I wanted the tags to be different than the papers that I had. And I do tons of layering on this and just played around with it. I got some ferns out and that type of stuff. And the picture is of when we were in Rothenburg, Germany. And this is one of them that is like that hidden gem. And it has Kathy Wofford major like Christmas section. It's their German trinket store where I've gotten a lot of my German stuff. It's the ones that do a lot of the Inkritik, like very petite wood pieces that you see. And they have the biggest store there, the very first store that's ever been open. And there, I had a lot of fun. My friend Amy and I, the same friend that her and I went to New York together with, her and I went to this, and I got some good pictures to do, and you guys, you'll have some fun because it'll be on my channel. And I get everything placed down, and then we're also looking at doing another trip this summer. We're hoping that we can get a couple more girls. If not, it may be in the works that I may be able to knock Boston, Massachusetts off my bucket list. I'm ecstatic. If that's the case, if that's where we decide to go, I am super duper excited for that place. I absolutely love New York. New York City was one of my faves of traveling outside of probably Greece and some of the places that I've went into Europe. And so be on the lookout for that this summer and see what happens. But I'm just finishing up. Make sure that you go and check out Lisa's channel as well. Hers is always amazing. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel as well. I'm almost close to my giveaway. I'm 35 subscribers away. Come on, let me get to that 1,000 subscribers so that I can be able to give you my giveaway as well. And obviously check on this. I do have tons of stuff that are going up. I'm going to have my Scrappy Chat for January coming up here soon. I cannot believe it's almost Christmas. And I hope that you guys are all having a great holiday and all that kind of stuff. The still shots are going to be coming up. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.